This is my gaming setup. Remember when I made a video where I diagnosed that my GPU cooling fan decided to die? Well, today I'm going to finally open up this laptop, clean it out, and replace the broken cooling fan. Because when you have earned a diploma in information technology technical support, you want to put all that hard work to good use. It is a shame that my computer is the one that decided to break, but in a good way, it's me showing you what I'm capable of doing. So, let's turn off this laptop and let's get into the job. I just hate the fact that Windows Updates decided it wants to update right at the very crucial moment when I need to shut this laptop down. And another thing us technicians have to do is sit here and watch freaking progress bars. Progress bars are the bane of my existence. But with some determination, I got the laptop to reset. Booting up my amazing Acer Predator Helios 15.6-inch gaming laptop, model number PH315-52. Yes, I'm a nerd when it comes to computers, okay? Nerd! Come on, hurry the f*** up. I want you to turn off so I can do my computer magic. Computers, man, you just honestly sit here waiting, and when you have to deal with several of these guys at once, and you just sit there for hours, that's exactly what happens. Oh, okay. It looks like my computer has finally turned off. That's great news for me. I've only been living at this house for the last 3 weeks, and I don't know if you can see, but look how dirty this desk is. Not exactly the best looking clean desk there is, but it's clean nonetheless so I can get to work. And now that I have successfully opened up this laptop, I'm going to reveal its dirtiness. What the heck happened here?
What is that? What the f*** is that?
Ugh! Ugh! Battery seems to be okay, no evidence of it swelling. But, ugh! Ugh! Time to get this cleaned up. Okay, now that we have power successfully disconnected from the unit, I can go ahead and pull apart this laptop. It's actually quite fairly simple to do. There's a screw there, there's a screw there, screw there, screw there, and both units will come directly off the laptop. I hate these connectors. Oh my god, this is irritating, but they actually doesn't look that bad. Not compared to this one. This one is the GPU fan, because I know this, because the power connector, which is, there it is, is on the right side of the laptop, and I have this facing backwards on purpose so I can see this is the fan I need to replace with that brand new component. Quickly just looking at this laptop, I can see this one is made of metal. I believe this one is made of plastic, because I wouldn't be surprised if this one was made of plastic, because this is the fan that died. Finally, after much convincing and much prying, I've managed to take this entire fan off the freaking motherboard. Visually inspecting this unit, it doesn't actually look that broken, nor does it actually look that clogged up. It's still a mess, but nothing like the last time I pulled this laptop apart. Yeah, you can barely read the label there. Nothing but an old cleaning up wouldn't help to solve this issue. Along with that, thank you. Fan number 2 out. 2 fans. At least I know where they go, because this one goes on the left side, this one goes on the right side of the laptop. But first, before I do anything else, let's remove these screws from both the cases. Just more screws to undo. I was right. The GPU cooling fan is made of plastic. I'm going to leave these two sitting here for a while to air dry while I sort out the rest of the laptop. I'll just leave them to sit while I go deal with the rest of the laptop. I mean, yes, it would help if I have some ISO, isopropyl alcohol, but I don't. So I'm just going to clean this out manually. I just want to clean it out manually, make it as nice as I can, and then get this thing back together. Hopefully, it works. At this point, I know I'm using a brush to brush all the lint and stuff off this laptop. And honestly, if I had the correct tools, I would be doing this properly. However, you gotta make with what you gotta have. Now, I know I'm not gonna win any IT of the Student of the Year awards with my job, but I do have to say the vents do look a lot cleaner. I just had to make do what I had. Here's a bit of mess, but it's clean enough. So now, I'm gonna put this all back together.
Wait a minute!
Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Oh my god. It's even got the serial motor, brushless motor and everything. What was hoping to be an end to such a great tour is this. Replacing my cooling fan, this one, that died. But unfortunately, as you can see, when I go to put in the old one, it fits. Perfect. Nah, doesn't fit. When I try to flip it the other way, still doesn't fit. That's a shame. At this point, I had a theory that the old GPU fan isn't actually dead. So I reconnected the fan back into the laptop, reconnected the battery to the motherboard, and did a power on test. That's going. That's going. I thought that was dead. Apparently it's going. I'm still shocked. This was supposed to be the brand new part to replace the GPU cooling fan. They are both working now.
Nice.
It's amazing to me to think that a simple case of unplugging it, cleaning it out, putting it back in and replugging it back in is all it takes to fix something that is wrong. I am so glad that the problem was self-resolved. Even though I had the correct part, even though I was prepared to replace it, turns out I didn't need to replace it because the part is still working. And that, to me, is a win-win. I hope you liked this video, guys. This took me 2 hours to make. I hope that you enjoyed this video into my insight into Technician Land. And I'll see you in the next video, hosted by me. My name's Aaron Wright. You know me as Acer. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.